From foundational research to influencing product, our teams make discoveries that impact everyone.
Hi, I'm going to show you and demonstrate how to use Starfleet and how to create an activity. Intellum is the name of the platform and company that developed the learning management system. Google has named it Starfleet, and it runs under the Google Academy umbrella. As I mentioned, Starfleet is an LMS, a learning management system. It is where learning courses are launched. Starfleet enables interactive training that may include videos, documents, web links, and knowledge checks, or quizzes. When you first log into Starfleet, you arrive at the learner's homepage. The homepage may appear different for each user, as the page is auto-customized with learning activities or events you have interest in. From the homepage, users can search for learning activities and events. To find Unify content in Starfleet, enter the word Unify in the search bar. The search results return all the Unify content. Enter any search words to find learning courses. Click on any result to review or launch the activity. The activity appears with the title and description. If the user has already taken the activity, the date passed will appear. If the user is new to the activity, a launch button will appear in place of the review button. Now that we have seen what the user sees in Starfleet, let's create a Unify activity. To create activities in Starfleet, you access the Administrator dashboard. From the User dashboard, click on the User Profile in the upper right corner. If you have been granted admin access, you will see the Admin menu option. From the Admin dashboard, search for Unify content. Any existing Unify content appears in the search results. To view any Unify paths, click the Paths tab. Paths are collections of activities. For example, you may have 3 activities or learning courses that apply to one topic. You can bundle them into a path. Let's create an activity. Creating activities is performed from the admin console. Let's review what activities are. Activities include e-learning courses. These are developed in Evolve or Storyline and are interactive learning experiences with knowledge checks. Activities may also include videos created from live events, Google Meetups, or live speaker events.
A community of Volshi. Thanks so much for joining us.
You can create, schedule, and invite users to live events. These are links to pre-scheduled meetups or live speaker events. Links are to take users to a website or page, and documents do pretty much the same. All activities in Starfleet keep a record of who and when a user took the learning activity. This is part of reporting. Let's create a video activity. All activities are basically created using the same method and parameters I will demonstrate. As with all activities, you need to create the content before you get to this point. In our example, we need to have a video prepared in advance. The video can be in many formats, with MP4 the most popular. From the Admin dashboard, the Content section, select Activities. To create any type of activity, click on New. To create a video activity, select Video from the drop-down selection. As you can see, the choices for activities I explained earlier are displayed. Enter a title for the activity. This appears in the catalog search results and when a learner sees the activity displayed. Select File Upload to choose a video file to appear in the activity. This may take several seconds to complete. Video files may be MP4s, MOVs, AVIs, and others. Select the locale, the language to be used throughout the activity, and click Create to create the video activity. When the video upload is complete, the Compose screen appears. Enter a description for the video activity, then select Properties to configure the activity in Starfleet. The description of the activity appears when the activity is selected by a learner. Properties allows you to configure the activity with several settings. Let's review the settings that apply to Unify. The status is selected by default as active. The activity or course is enabled for use in Starfleet. The title and file appear from when the video was uploaded. Enter the duration of the activity or the length of the video. This could also be the length of time a learner may need to complete an e-learning course. Select a difficulty from the drop-down and click Save Changes. The next section is the Display section. Click on Choose File to upload a cover art and hero image. A cover art image is displayed in the catalog as an icon image when the activity is shown in the catalog search results. A hero image is displayed when the activity or course is selected and displayed along with the title and description. In the Additional Details section, use the default values or enter new values. For the code, replace the default with the standard format. For the activity number, use a unique sequential number. Scroll down to the Custom Fields section. Select an XFN partner of PeopleOps from the drop-down and enter the project name of Unify. Click Save Changes when complete. Scroll to the top of the page to continue. Continue to configure the activity. From the left side menu panel, select Catalog. Select Available to all users if you want the activity to be found in the catalog search results. Check the box to have activity hidden from all users in the search results. Both these settings can be used to gain greater control over who has access to the activities. Suppose you are working on creating the new content for an activity, but the activity is not ready for the audience. You are still going through edits and reviews, and you don't want anyone to see or find the course except reviewers. Check these boxes to limit access. Next, scroll down to the Summary section and add a description of the activity. Add any keywords that may apply to the activity. Keywords are used in search inquiries. The remaining settings are not required. Scroll to the top of the page to continue. Select Enrollment from the left side menu panel. Enrollments is used to control attendance and audience restrictions. Scroll to the bottom of the page and uncheck the box for Enable Mark as Complete button. This provides the users with a button to show they completed the activity, or in this case, a video without really watching the video. Check the box for Enable Video Autocomplete. This will record the activity complete after a user watches the video. Add any prerequisites as required. Scroll to the top of the page and select Gamification from the left side menu panel. Gamification is used to give rewards or badges upon completion of an activity. Check the box to activate and complete the required fields. You will need a graphic to display for the award. Select one of the award templates from the drop-down menu. Enter an award type and select the celebration type. The badge is awarded at the successful completion of an activity, which may include the need to pass a quiz. Save your changes to apply the badge to this activity. Advanced setting is used to add success letters or emails. Set up reply addresses for when a learner replies to a letter. Allow or disable comments. Comments or feedback can be created by users upon completing an activity if you allow. Optionally, set up advanced auto-enrollment properties and add a survey. We will use the defaults. And when complete, scroll to the top of the page. The Enrollments tab is used to manually enroll users and to view those that are enrolled and their status. It's time to publish. Publishing is the final step before making the activity ready for production and available to users. Return to the Compose screen and Properties to review your settings. When ready, click on the Submit for Review drop-down and make a selection. Click Publish when prompted, and click View Published Version to complete. And that's it. Your activity is now ready for public consumption. To view the published activity, click Launch as Learner in the top right. The video activity auto starts. Other activities prompt the user to launch or start the activity.